Sir.
From Nemagatsel.
Pemagatsel
District.
Pemagatsel district. Sir, how do you feel coming here? And do you think we have some relationship between Buddhism and Baathuism? Please enlighten us.
Thank you very much for the question. I think for the last 50 years I have been traveling this place. From my place, when we go to Thimphu or Phinchiling site, I always travel first through place. But this is the first time I am attending an event, a religious convention on Bathu. So I am very happy to be part of this very important religious event. And I think be it Hinduism, Buddhism, Baathuism or Christianity, Islam, the core message of all this religion is same. That is kind heart. You need kind heart. You need respect for the others. So it's a compassion. You have to be compassionate to all people, regardless of whether you are Muslim, Hindu, Christianity. So this is, I think, very, in a way, very similar message, whether we talk about your Baathuism or our Buddhism.
Sir, you have been traveling to this area from many years. Today, such things, such meetings of all Bathu Mahasabhas happen. Means, is something there similarities between Buddhism, their program in Buddhism and our Baathuism here?
A lot of similarities. One of the things I mentioned earlier was compassion. I mean, all religion talks about you have to be kind, brotherhood, spirit of friendship. But other than that, I think in one of the core principle of Buddhism is to respect every being, every living beings. That includes human being, animals, even plant. Now we say plants have a life. So Buddhism respects all these things: animal, human being, plants, in fact all the sentient beings. See, when we talk about your Baathuism, I think exactly you are also doing the same thing. In fact, the God, if I may say so, or the object of your worship itself is a plant. So I think there is a lot of similarity between Baathuism and Buddhism, so far as respect to the nature, our environment, our trees, our ecology is concerned. And Buddhism has the same respect for our environment, ecology, and nature.
Sir, thank you, sir, for giving your valuable time to us. I hope Indo-Bhutan friendships grow greater from time.
Thank you for having me.